Do you want to master technical SEO and optimize your website? Dive into the world of online optimization, where a well-structured technical SEO checklist is your key to success. Begin with installing Google Analytics. This tool provides you with data-driven insights, helping you understand your audience better and track your website's performance. It's like having a backstage pass to your website's performance, giving you access to invaluable data such as bounce rate, session duration, and more. Next, consider leveraging the Yoast SEO plugin if your website is on WordPress. This tool is like your personal SEO assistant, guiding you through the process of optimizing your content for search engines. It helps you craft SEO-friendly titles, meta descriptions, and even provides feedback on your keyword usage. Following this, verify your site in Google Search Console. This tool is your direct line of communication with Google. It alerts you of any issues that might affect your website's visibility in search results and provides you with performance reports, helping you understand how Google sees your site. Now focus on enhancing your website's performance and speed. Remember, a fast-loading website is not only loved by visitors, but also by search engines. A sluggish website, on the other hand, can lead to high bounce rates and poor user experience. Next, test your website's mobile friendliness using Google's Mobile Friendly Test. In today's mobile-first world, a mobile-optimized website is non-negotiable. This tool helps you ensure that your site provides a seamless experience on all devices. Moving on to keyword research, start by developing a buyer persona. This helps you understand your target audience better, aiding in effective keyword research. Remember, the right keywords are the backbone of your SEO strategy. Craft a strategic keyword strategy next. Brainstorm for keyword ideas, make use of keyword research templates, hack Wikipedia for topic ideas and synonyms, and generate thousands of long-tail keyword ideas using automated tools like Google Autocomplete, Ubersuggest, and Keyword Shitter. Discover untapped keywords and topics using Quora. After you've gathered a list of potential keywords, it's time to narrow it down. Use search volume data from the Keyword Everywhere extension or Google Keyword Planner to cut down the list. Consider commercial intent using cost per click figures as a guide. Finally, choose your target keywords. Review the first page of Google for each keyword, analyze the competition, and focus on keywords you have a chance to rank for. These chosen keywords will be the centerpieces of your content. In summary, mastering technical SEO involves a series of steps from installing Google Analytics to crafting a strategic keyword strategy. Remember, the goal is to optimize your website for both search engines and users. With this comprehensive checklist, you're well on your way to achieving online success.